Joe Beermaster here. I'm going to show you how to take a headlight out of a Dodge Ram pickup. First thing you have to do is take the grill off. You got to do whatever we got this off to take it off. The bolts and clips on the top, and there's clips that hold the grill in. There's the grill. Basically, if you pull it gently, it will come out, or you have to reach in and move the clips. But once you have the grill out, you get these two 10mm bolts. Then there's a slide that goes up and down. And basically inside here, there's this little pocket. Inside this pocket, there's a slide. Once you get that open, you're going to slide the slide up and it releases the back of the headlight. I'm going to use a screwdriver to get that clip off. Use a little plier or something once you get that started. And inside here, there's this little slide right there. You see that white area? You're going to slide that up to release it and down to put it on. Right now, we just put a new headlight in actually, so I'm going to slide it down and it locks the back of the headlight in. So if you want to get it out, you've got to do the reverse, slide it up or down. You got to feel it, see what it does. Alright, so I slid it down. I reached my hand in there. I just can't really see it unless you jack it up and take the wheel off, but you don't have to do that. I just slid it down, wiggled it a little bit, and it locked it in. So there's three things that hold that headlight in. This up and down retainer clip. And after you get the grill out, two 10mm bolts. And then it plugs in. You can take the bulbs out, whatever you need to do. Change your bulb. You have to take that grill off first. And I wish I showed you the procedure for the grill, but it's already out. So it's very simple. You'll figure it out. Joe Beermaster. A lot of people don't know about that back retainer clip. And they force it and then they break something. So don't let that happen.